So we're trying bronzers. Hey guys, welcome to Lip Shoes and Issues. I'm Jeannie. Thanks for tuning in and welcome back. So I want to talk about bronzers today. Basically because my daughter told me that blush is out, bronzer is in. Only old people wear blush. I'm going to have to teach her a couple things, okay? Because that's not true. However, I do want to try some bronzers based on the fact that she did say that. Now, of course, we're wearing bronzers, but I usually wear a bronzer, then I put on a little bit of blush. But I have no blush on right now. I did have it on earlier, but I washed it off. So I do have a little bit of foundation. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more foundation though, just to get this going correctly. I have such a medium skin tone that sometimes I don't know what color I have on, but I want to do this right. There, I look a little bit more neutral now. So I'm doing cream formula bronzers. I have Chanel Soleil Tan, de Chanel Bronze Universal. Now, this only comes in one color, this Chanel bronzer, one color. So, and that's the color there. It's light. I've tried it before. It's light. Some people think it looks orange on them. I didn't see that, but it is light. And the other one that I have, and I'm going to do one on one side, the other on this side. The other one I have is Tarte C. I got the little mini. And this is darker, I think. I don't know if this comes in different. Well, Seychelles is this color. It may come in different colors. I would imagine it would. So you can see that this one is it's a bit light. It's like almost the same. It's just as dark as the other one, but a different shade maybe. I don't know. But so with the bronzer, basically it's the same thing as a contour. Really, it's the 3. And you want to, less is more, because you can always build. I'm using the It Brush Heavenly Luxe Wand Ball Powder, which, let me tell you something, when I get brushes, you can say powder. I use it for whatever I want, whatever works for me. But I'm going to try the Chanel. Just twirl it in there. And very lightly go against the hairline. In circular motions. I don't want to put one of those barrettes on because I don't want to mess my hair up. But you want to go against the hairline. Screwing this up, aren't I? I'm going to have to put this on. So I did have to put my hair up. So you want to hold the end of your brush because you want your brush to be loose. You don't want your brush to be, you don't want to jam it in there. You want it to be loose, and you want to go in circular motions. So basically what you're doing is you're mimicking a suntan or a sunburn. I mean, whatever happens to your face out in the sun. So, and that's basically what you're doing. So you want to mimic here. I don't know, I'm always white right there. Could use some there, color. And then go up to the tip of your ear. Go down towards your mouth. So you're going like from the, I would say top quarter of your ear towards your mouth. And don't put too much on the brush. You can always add more. And then you want to go down and chisel the face. And I like to put some on the neck, just to put more color on my neck, because it is a bronzer. Go down. Don't be afraid, especially with the Chanel, because it's kind of light. But I don't see any orange. Now, so this is the Chanel. I would take a beauty sponge and just kind of blend it into the skin. Now, I would also typically put it on my nose here and put it over here, but I'm going to do that with the Tarte instead, because this doesn't have a lot of color, but it's really pretty. The finish is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. So it's a kind of it's a very light bronze, and hopefully it's shown up on camera. But yes, so the next one I'm going to use is the Tarte, which is a bit darker, kind of, I don't know, a bit darker. I'm going to use the same brush, wipe it clean. I think I have another barrette, but put my hair behind my ears. So I'm going to go ahead and same way. I'm going to go against the hairline. I don't have another barrette here. Oh my gosh. Now this color is a bit darker. Go in the ears. And you want to, again, go around circles. And then you're going to contour the chin, the jawline. Why do I have a shadow over here? I had to put a light on over there so I can see. Still a shadow. It's weird. Alright, so this is really nice, this Tarte. Really nice. I think this has more coverage. I'm going to do the tip of the nose because, and right here at the top of the nose, because the sun hits you there. And then I'm going to go ahead in with the Beauty Blender. So this is the Tarte side. This is the Chanel side. I'm trying to... I like them both. This is much more subtle than the Tarte. This is the perfect colors for spring though, because you're not going in too dark just yet. And with dark skin tones, it could brighten up, you know, make your skin look smoother, brighter. Not lighter, I don't mean that, but brighter. Like, you know, everybody wants their face to look brighter just to, hi, I'm here. But you know what? Now I'm getting it. I'm getting what my daughter said. Because I wouldn't wear a blush with this. This is really pretty. This is really pretty without a blush. So I really wouldn't wear a blush with this. Now, I've got 2 different colors on each side, but it's not even that noticeable. But anyway, so yeah, I get it now. You don't really need a blush with a bronzer. You don't need it. I would still put a little bit of blush here. I think I would. I don't know. It's pretty. I like it. Now, these are cream bronzers. I do have powdered bronzers that I'll try next. But for now, just wanted to give you guys a little bronzing tutorial. Thanks for tuning in. Nice short video this time. Love you guys. I'll see you soon. Watching?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. You're bored.
But we're done. We're done with this video. We're done.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Bye.